Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and let's talk about finding the greatest common factors of numbers. So, para makuha natin yung greatest common factors ng numbers natin, we have to apply prime factorization para malaman natin yung common factors ng dalawang numbers. So, let's have this item. We have 18 and 21. So, kunin natin yung 18 and 21. So, kunin natin yung prime factors ni 18. So, we will be using prime factorization in getting the factors of 18. So, 18 has 3 times 3 times 2 na factor. Tapos, si 21 naman, yung prime factors niya will be 7 times 3. Now, pag sinabing greatest common factor, kukunin lang natin yung common na factors. So, we have 3 as their common factor. So, yung GCF natin for this item is going to be 3. And that's it. Tara! Alright. Okay, let's find the greatest common factors of these two numbers. We have 24 and 32. So, ang gagawin natin, kunin natin si 24 and si 32. Okay, let's get their greatest common factor. So, let's apply prime factorization para malaman natin yung prime factors nila. So, si 24, yung prime factors niya is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Tapos, si 32 naman, yung prime factors niya is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. So, nakuha na natin yung factors ni 24 at ni 32. Nakukunin natin yung mga common factors nila. So, we have 2, another 2, and another 2. Ayan. So, meron tayong 2 times 2 times 2. Multiply natin to get our greatest common factor, which is 8. So, the greatest common factor of these two numbers is 8. And that's it. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's get the greatest common factor of 30 and 100. So, ang first step natin is for us to apply the prime factorization to get the prime factors of 30 and 100. So, kunin natin yung prime factors ni 30. So, we have 5 times 3 times 2. Okay? Si 100 naman, yung prime factors niya will be 5 times 5 times 2 times 2. Then, pag nakuha na natin yung kanilang factors, kunin natin yung common factors nila. So, meron tayong common factor na 5. Sulat natin sa baba. And common factor na 2. So, let's multiply our common factors, 5 times 2, to get our greatest common factor, which is equal to 10. And that's it. That will be the greatest common factor of 30 and 100. Tada! Alright. Let's find the greatest common factor of 66 and 78. So, kunin natin yung ating dalawang number. Okay, let's get their factors. So, si 66, meron siyang prime factors na 11 times 3 times 2. Si 78 naman, meron siyang prime factors na 13 times 3 times 2. Now, kunin natin yung common factors nila. So, we have 3 and yung common factors na 2. So, multiply natin yung common factor to get our greatest common factor. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So, our greatest common factor for 66 and 78 will be 6. And that's it. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's have this item. Let's find the greatest common factor of 70 and 98. So, ang first step natin is kunin natin si 70 and 98 and let's get their greatest common factor by getting their prime factors. So, kunin natin yung prime factors ni 70 at ni 98. So, start tayo kay 70. Meron siyang prime factors na 7 times 5 times 2. Si 98 naman, meron siyang prime factors na 7 times 7 times 2. Okay. So, kunin natin yung common factors nila. So, meron tayong common factors na 7, common factor na 2. So, multiply natin yung ating mga common factors. So, 7 times 2 will be 14. And that will be the greatest common factor of 70 and 98. And that's it! Tada! Alright. Okay, let's find the greatest common factor of these numbers. So, we have 140 and 315. So, to get their greatest common factor, ilista natin yung mga prime factors nila using prime factorization. So, start tayo kay 140. So, meron siyang prime factors na 7 times 5 times 2 times 2 And si 315, meron siyang prime factors na 7 times 5 times 3 times 3. Now, kunin natin yung common factors nila. Meron tayong common factor na 7 and 5. Ayan. So, let's multiply the common factor and that will give us 35. And that will be our greatest common factor of 140 and 315. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright.